Hi class, I hope you're having a really good day. I wanted to do a quick video to walk you through and hopefully help you understand this assignment a little bit better. So this module has the assignment in there, analysis of a research article. So this is the actual assignment right here. What you're going to do is first pull up the article. So I've given you the step-by-step directions right here. Here is the citation for the article. I am having you pull the article up this way because I want you to know how to use the SAC library and how to find peer-reviewed journal articles. And so part of this assignment is going out and finding the article. So I also have a video on how to search the SAC library, but the directions are right here. So the first thing you're going to do is all of you get the same article, go out there and get Help Seeking and Coping Behaviors Among Asian Americans, the Roles of Asian Values. So that is specifically the article that you're going to get. Then what you're going to do is read the article, and then you're going to break down the parts of the journal article into summary. So I've given this outline here. All journal articles are set up pretty much the same way. They're going to have, you know, their introduction, their methodology, the results, and their discussion. So that's pretty standard for peer-reviewed journal articles. And I've put some questions here to show you what you would find in all those sections. So the first thing I want you to do is, you know, talk about in that particular article how the researchers set the groundwork for their study, okay? Then you're going to do the purpose of the study. So what were they trying to learn from it? What were they trying to share? Why did they do the study? And you're just putting this, you're just summarizing in your own words. So it doesn't have to be a paper. You literally could write 1, 2, 3, just like you see here. You can put it in paragraph format also. The main thing is that you're pulling the content out of the article. And then so forth and so on. So the methodology, what did you find? And these guiding questions help you understand what you're looking for in each part of that section of the journal article. And the discussion. And then lastly, you'll do your own critique. What do you think they should have done differently? What do you think was missing? Do you wish they, you know, would have had a different sample size, etc.? So it's just your own feedback. Do not forget this part right here at the bottom of the page to provide the full APA citation for the article, okay? And any other references, you shouldn't need to use any other, but, you know, just as a general rule of thumb. Then I have given you an example. So obviously based upon a different article, I went through and put the information there. So I read a different article and then I summarized so that you could see exactly what I'm looking for in this assignment, just using a different article. Again, you are all, first thing you're going to do is go out into the SAC library and find this article right here. Then you're going to type up these different parts. Make sure you provide the APA citation. So hopefully this explanation will help make this assignment a little bit more clear for you. Of course, you can always reach out to me with any questions. Have a great day and good luck on your assignment.